Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are so glad to have you here with us today. Today, we're making a delicious masala omelette. This is a quick and easy recipe that's perfect for breakfast or even a light lunch. Let's get started. First, let's check out the ingredients you'll need. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process so much smoother and enjoyable. 2 to 3 eggs, finely chopped small onion, 1 to 2 green chilies, a small tomato, and fresh coriander. These fresh ingredients will add a burst of flavor and color to your omelette. For the spices, grab 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, salt, and black pepper. These spices will give your omelette that signature masala flavor. And finally, some oil for frying. All right, let's get cooking. Let's prepare our egg mixture. This is where all the magic happens. Crack the eggs into a bowl, making sure there are no shells. Then add the finely chopped onions, which will add a nice crunch. Tomatoes, green chilies, and coriander leaves. Now, sprinkle in the turmeric, which gives a lovely golden color. Chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, for that authentic masala taste, and a pinch of salt and black pepper to season. Whisk everything together until it's well combined. Make sure all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Place a non-stick pan on medium-high heat and add some oil. You can use ghee if you prefer a richer flavor. Let it heat until it shimmers. This means the oil is hot enough for cooking. Now, pour the egg mixture into the hot pan. You should hear a nice sizzle. Make sure it spreads out evenly. This ensures that it cooks uniformly. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the edges start to firm up. You'll see the edges turning a bit opaque. If you like, you can cover the pan with a lid for 30 seconds to help cook the top. This step is optional, but helps in cooking the omelette evenly. Watch as the omelette cooks to a beautiful golden brown color. This is when you know it's almost ready. You can gently flip it to cook the other side for about 20 to 30 seconds, or leave it soft and fluffy without flipping. It's all about your preference. Time to plate and garnish. This is the fun part. Carefully slide the cooked omelette onto a plate. Be gentle to keep it intact. Garnish with some fresh coriander. Doesn't that look amazing? The fresh coriander adds a pop of color and freshness. You can pair this flavorful omelette with a side of toast, paratha, or even some chutney. These sides complement the omelette perfectly. Perfect for a quick and tasty breakfast. This masala omelette is sure to become a favorite in your household. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.